Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you are joining me today. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and expert stock recommendations. Let us jump right into what is moving the markets today. Marvell Technology is absolutely dominating the conversation after NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang publicly anointed the company as the next trillion-dollar firm. This is not just talk. NVIDIA has committed $2 billion to a partnership with MRVL, focusing on the high-speed networking and optical connectivity that acts as the plumbing for AI data centers. Investors are reacting to this as a structural endorsement, pushing the stock up significantly. Meanwhile, Palo Alto Networks is in focus after reporting fiscal third-quarter results. While they beat revenue and earnings expectations and raised their full-year outlook, the stock is seeing some pressure as investors digest the complexities of their recent acquisitions and the integration costs involved. Google is also seeing some movement after announcing an $80 billion equity offering. While some are worried about dilution, many analysts see this as a clear signal that the company is doubling down on its massive AI infrastructure investments. Finally, Freeport-McMoRan is moving higher in sympathy with a broader copper rally, driven by supply tightness and tariff-related trade concerns, while T1 Energy is gaining traction following the announcement of its acquisition of Core Power to expand into battery energy storage for industrial hyperscalers. Looking at the broader market, U.S. futures are showing a mixed picture. Investors are staying cautious as they wait for a heavy slate of data, including the ADP employment report, ISM Services PMI, and the Federal Reserve's Beige Book. While stocks hit fresh highs recently, the market is currently balancing this optimism against rising oil prices, which have climbed due to renewed geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. The U.S. dollar is also showing a slight uptick, and Treasury yields are creeping up, which is keeping a lid on some of the more aggressive momentum in the tech sector. In the AI economy, the race for infrastructure dominance continues. Beyond the Marvell news, we are seeing DeepSeek nearing a massive $7.4 billion funding round to support open-source AI research, signaling that the capital intensity of this sector is not slowing down. At the same time, a new consortium called the AI Proving Grounds has launched to help cybersecurity firms test and validate AI defenses before they hit production, highlighting that as AI capabilities grow, so does the focus on enterprise-grade security and trust. For other stocks in focus, we are seeing movement in the retail and packaged food sectors. Bernstein has taken a cautious tone on several major food names, citing persistent inflation in freight and packaging costs, as well as the impact of GLP-1 drugs on consumer behavior. This has put some pressure on stocks like Campbell Soup, General Mills, and Kraft Heinz in early trading. Turning to our earnings watch, today is a busy day for reports. We are looking ahead to Broadcom, CrowdStrike, and VEEV Systems, all of which are set to report after the closing bell. These reports will be critical for tech investors looking to see if the AI spending boom is translating into consistent bottom-line growth. Earlier today, Macy's reported strong first-quarter results and raised its full-year outlook, which is a bright spot in the retail space. To wrap things up, we have covered the massive momentum behind Marvell and the AI infrastructure build-out, the mixed sentiment in the broader market ahead of key macro data, and the latest in AI cybersecurity and funding. It is a busy day, so keep an eye on those earnings reports coming after the close. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want us to cover next. For more stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you back here tomorrow.